welcome to my first ever cook with me. Today we are here with Senor Frog. It's the only bread my mom had. And today I'm going to show you how to cook a recipe. So I put out all the ingredients. Okay, I got some vegetarian bouillon for seasoning, nutritional yeast, onion, garlic, flour. I got this pasta from Trader Joe's. I wanted a thick noodle for my pasta today. Of course, the main ingredients: sun-dried tomatoes, some soy milk, vegan butter, paprika, crushed red pepper because I like things spicy, some olive oil, and spinach because I love spinach. Alright, so I need to chop up the onion and garlic. So let's get doing that. Okay, time to chop stuff. I'm not claiming to be a professional chef, so bear with me and this big knife. Time for my onion. I like red onions because they're pretty and they have a more pungent flavor. So let's cut this half up. Gotta heat up our water. Make sure to salt it. I'm gonna talk to you guys, and I'll take videos with my phone. First step, heat up the pan. Okay, I'm gonna add the oil. I just kind of eyeball this. And I get this special Tuscan herb one that smells amazing in pasta sauces. Then a trick I like to do is add a little bit of regular olive oil, just because this recipe calls for a little bit more oil, but I don't want to use up all my specialty. And let's put some vegan butter in there as well to give it, because it's going to be a creamy pasta. So there. We got our vegan butter. Well, this is warming up. Let me just... Marty, you're in the way, bud. You're going to want to add your shallots and your sun-dried tomatoes first. One more in there. Okay, now we just gotta cook this until the onions have kind of gone transparent, and then we'll add the garlic. Oh my god, it smells amazing! Alright, I'm gonna add the garlic. No. I'm gonna try, watch me try to film this. Damn it. Check out my TikTok. I've been making a lot of videos. I'm gonna add the paprika, crushed pepper, and Italian seasoning, which I forgot to show earlier. That's enough paprika. Add the crushed pepper. Gotta do this all one hand so I can film too. And I gotta put some flour in there. I'm gonna be doing 2 tablespoons of this. This will give the sauce part, when I add the liquid, a bit more thickening. And by cooking it with the spices a bit, it gets that flavor. Let me check on my water. Still not perfect. This is a cup milk, a cup water. I know it looks freaking weird, but just roll with it, whatever. And then we're gonna add the bouillon for flavoring. Yeah. And this needs to dissolve, so. This needs to dissolve in there. Let this cook and thicken. Let me check on that pasta sauce again. We are still not there. Let's mix this. Oh shit. You know what I forgot? To salt and pepper this thing. Where's the salt? Oh, here it is. It's good salt. And lots of pepper because I freaking love pepper. Oh, crystal gems. Oh, it's getting a nice pinky color. Oh, my pasta water is boiling. So, I ain't using any pasta, but just one I chose today. 6 to 7 minutes. I'm just gonna cook all of it. Whatever. Oh, I gotta start a timer or else I forget. Do the nutritional yeast now, my favorite ingredient, nooch. Gives it that cheesy freaking flavor. Look at that sauce. Yummy. Yum. This sauce is getting thick. I'm gonna have to add a lot of pasta water. Okay, I'm gonna stir in my kale too. Or not my kale. Spinach. You have to add a lot because it cooks down if you don't know. Gotta add some of the pasta water to the sauce so it's not as thick. Here's my pasta. I'm gonna add a bit more of the water to this. Let's drain this. You know what? Let me add a video first. TikTok comes first. Time to add the pasta to the sauce. So I'm gonna move this, get a close up, nice juicy close up for you guys. Look at that. ASMR. Look at that. That looks so freaking good. I'm so excited. Let's dish this thing. Okay. Time for the tasting portion of this video with Senor Frogs. I want some dry tomato. Let's bite. Okay. That is so good. Ooh, and it has a little kick at the end. I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. I will make this again. So good and simple. It didn't take that long. And I know how to make it now, so. I hope you guys enjoyed. There are definitely more cooking videos coming up. Make sure to leave down below some like recipes maybe, or like types of food you want me to cook. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more vlogs and cooking videos and traveling for this year. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. It's so freaking good.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.